video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Thursday. And apologies for being a few minutes late. I'm having all the technical difficulties in the world, and my camera wasn't working, my Zoom wasn't working, so then I had to go on Google Meet, and now this is mirrored. I don't know what's going on, but at least I got my camera working. So yay, camera. All right, my friends, we're going to get after it. We have Donnie T becoming Person of the Year, and he was just ringing the bell at the New York Stock Exchange, and I do have his full speech. We're going to play it. So if you guys are ready for all the Zest, the news, education, and my latest hit on Newsmax discussing Eric T, make sure you smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share the stream out, friends, so more people know what's going on here. Also, we have a goal of 150 likes, 150 live viewers. We have the beautiful subscriber goal as well. We need to make sure we are subscribing to the channel. If you guys are taking a look right here, 17,750 subs is where we're at right now. Just below that, we are aiming for 17,770. So we really want to get 20 more subscribers. Pimp. Also, I'm going to say good morning to you as you say good morning to me. Please check out our 3 amazing sponsors of the show, including Cake Wallet, Market Cipher. Use code ZESTY for 15% off. And then head over to Gemini, the side today, because this is mirrored. Head over to Gemini. We're going to go where dollars won't. Trade $100 in crypto. Get 15 bucks in Bitcoin. All right. Let's say good morning to everyone. We got David in the chat. Michael Cartwright, good morning. Aquarian, good morning. Aaron, what's up? Joe Harvey, David Bowles, Brian. We have Gold. Wait, what? Who's giving out memberships? Wait, hold on. Hold on. Michael Cartwright with 5 memberships. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Shout out to Michael Cartwright. We have, who else is in the chat? Nicole. Nice to see you, Nicole. James, yes, technical difficulties today. Double O is here. Bobby F is here. Andy S. Nice to see you. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We have JC, Ray K. Good morning. Nice to see ya. Chipper, Moneybags. We have Rob C, Digi, Crimson's on X this morning. Good morning to you. We have True, Mike Mazzone, and Yukio are also on X this morning. Good morning. We have Crypto Outcast. Thank you for commenting on my Newsmax hit on X. Nice to see ya. Casper Pampit, Alex Collingboard says good morning. Donnie's over there on X with Alex too. Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, Kai is here. Holy's Shoes, welcome, my friend. Pampit. All right, welcome, welcome. Guys, we have a lot to cover today. Please make sure you're smashing the likes and sharing this out with friends. Right, Cyberman, through the water, good morning. Good morning to everybody. All right, let's get after it. We have a lot to discuss, my friends, a lot to discuss. Yeah. All right. Do, boo-doo, do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. All right, here we go. We have our bubbles this morning. Before we get into Donnie T and all the madness, we have our bubbles this morning. Bubbles are bubbling. Looks awesome. And we see we have some green, some red out here. Again, nothing I would really worry about. I think everything's going to be A-okay. It's going to be A-okay. We do have Bitcoin this morning. Bitcoin actually closed the highest daily candle close of its lifetime yesterday at about $101,200. So pimp it for Bitcoin. We're in price discovery mode still. Our all-time high is $104,000. Right, Rippin'? And who is this over here? Cheese. Much love to you. We have Bitcoin at $101,547 right now. We want to keep closing higher daily candles. Again, the highest daily candle close was yesterday, so Bitcoin was killing the game. Our bearish scenario right now is 98K. Even more bearish is the bottom of our little range here, which is at 91,000. We do have a fresh green dot printed, although we are down 0.13% at the moment. We have a fresh green dot printed here on Market Cipher. So that's letting us know that our momentum is starting to pick up, and we love that. Oh, I just realized, hold on. Hold on, I just realized that I don't have, oopsie, myself on here. Hold up. Add existing, 3, yeah. Okay, hold up. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. See, guys, I was not ready. it started to glitch literally right before the show started, and I was like, oopsie daisy, we gotta fix that. I could try to do this as I'm talking though. I could try to do it as we're talking. Edit, transform, ba-da-da-da. Beep, beep, beep. Sorry, guys. I apologize. But here we go. We're going to keep going. It's going to be fine. It'll be okay. We do have Bitcoin that is chilling. The VWAP is moving on up, which is beautiful. We love the VWAP moving on up. And we are also taking a look at that money flow that is still coming in. And we love green money flow. We love the fact that it's continuing to rise. And it goes to show that we are going to maybe have a nice push today. At least that's the hope, is to have a nice push. The RSI is chilling. She is almost overbought, which is cool. But it does show, again, we have some room to run to the upside as well because it is not overbought yet. What is going on? Why am I getting alerts? Okay, there we go. We do have Ethereum this morning. Ethereum. $3,982. Again, we're still struggling with the $4,000 mark. That's important. We do have the $4,000 mark, which is important. We want to stay above 3960. And the 3960 mark, again, is our golden zone. And we want to make sure we can make our way above that golden zone, maintain support, and aim for 4170. Again, that dates back to all the way here in 2021, where we did visit our all-time high, our current all-time high. Your bear scenario right now, we're looking at that 3230, 3220. We are up 3.84% for Ethereum again, where we see Bitcoin pulling back ever so slightly. Ethereum is running along with Litecoin, which we're going to get to in just a minute. We have a green dot printed on this momentum. Momentum is still bullish here for Bitcoin. We love a bullish momentum for Ethereum. We have a bullish momentum. We love a bullish momentum. We want to see that VWAP continuing to cross over that zero line. And it's beautiful. We love the VWAP crossing the zero line, especially in a positive and confident manner. We have the money flow pulling back ever so slightly. It is kind of flat right now, but still green, still bullish. That's okay. The RSI. Can you guys see everything? I think you could. The RSI is coming back from a huge pullback that we had from overbought almost to neutral, and is having a strong run today, a strong run. Will it hit overbought and get back into that uptrend we started to see? Ultimately, we want to close above $4,000 Ethereum. $4,000 Ethereum is our goal today. Hey, different camera setup today. Yes, my friend, we were glitchery today. We were glitchery. All technical difficulties right before we went live. But that's okay. That's okay. It's the name of the game, my friends. Because we also have Litecoin that is pumping it up this morning. We are starting to bounce back with Litecoin after we had a wick low the other day of around $101, and we do not want to go below $100 Litecoin. It's a psychological level. People might lose their noodles. And we also have the fact that we want to maintain above 113 because that dates back to when we were tapping around this level back in April of this year, and then trying to tap 115, this 112 level back in July of 2023. Bullish level to watch is 142 and even 150. We're up 4%, 4.2% right now with Litecoin looking good. The VWAP is bullish, has yet to cross that zero line though, pretty interesting. Red dot is pulling back on the momentum, and I hope the momentum starts to turn around as Litecoin continues to increase in price. Print a green dot, give us what we want, Litecoin, give us what we want. And we also have a nice green money flow that's a little stagnant right now, still bullish. We had a really strong pullback with the RSI from that overbought level, starting to bounce back now, looking good. No complaints. No complaints, my friends. Please smash the likes, subscribe, share this out with friends. As we see, Bitcoin might go to 200K, according to Bitwise's 10 predictions for 2025. We see here that things could get even crazier, where we have Bitwise Asset Management that specializes in developing crypto investment products. They laid out 10 crypto predictions for the year in a report released on Wednesday. And looking here, they say Bitcoin might push 200K, And Ether might hit $7,000, and Solana will more than triple to $750. $750 Solana is a very interesting point, my friends. Do you guys believe that Solana could hit $750? Put a one or a yes emoji, two or no emoji. Do you believe that Solana could hit $750? Where's Solana right now, you ask? Well, I shall tell. I shall tell. Solana right now is at $232. We want to hold and have support at 230. That's above our golden zone. Our golden zone was at 190. We want to hold 230. Our now current all-time highs are around 265. 230 is where we want to hold support. Bearish level to watch is 209. We have a green dot printing on the momentum. The momentum's starting to move up. We need that bullish momentum. VWAP is bullish, though. VWAP is bullish. Looking good, though, up 5%. Money flow still flowing. Things are still going. What's going on with my screen right now? Hold up. Sorry, guys. Sorry I'm, like, glitching out today. All right. We're good. Pedro says, hello from Portugal. Welcome, my friend. Marcus, good morning. Thank you for all the puffles. Shout out to Marcus. It's the name of the game. Yes, it is. Star Dad, nice to see you. Guys, if you're new to the show, I need to know. If you guys are new to the show, then give me that information. I want to make sure we give you an appropriate amount of love. Moving on, we have Time Magazine naming Donnie T Person of the Year. Take a look. There it is. Person of the Year for Donnie T. Look at that. I believe he was Person of the Year. This is the second time. So he's already been Person of the Year before. And there was a rumor that Kamama was actually going to be Person of the Year for Time Magazine this year, but that did not happen. And so Donnie T is the man. China. And he also rang the New York Stock Exchange opening bell. He was the first person to do that since, I believe, Ronald Reagan, if that's correct. Here we go.
Let's get a listen to the president-elect. Tremendous honor. I brought some of our compatriots along with us. They're going to do a beautiful job for you for the next 4 years. And it's really been something very special. And I have to say, Time Magazine getting this honor for the second time. I think I like it better this time, actually. Because, but we did a good job. We had a great first term, despite a lot of turmoil caused unnecessarily. But the media's tamed down a little bit. They're liking us much better now, I think. If they don't, we'll have to just take them on again, and we don't want to do that. But I do want to thank Time Magazine. I've been on the cover many times. I don't know who has the record, but I can only probably talk well about 25% of the covers. 25% are great. The others I just sort of hide. But it's been an honor, and every time it's an honor, I will tell you. And thank you very much for doing it. And thank the whole group at Time. Really very professional people. Thank you very much. And
put some Donnie T emojis in the chat. Put some Donnie T emojis in the chat.
And to Jeff and all of the people from the New York Stock Exchange. He knows how much I like it because many years ago I bought a building across the street. I wasn't going to buy it. Then I said, you know, it's right next to the New York Stock Exchange. I'm going to buy it. We've had great success. 40 Wall Street, we've had tremendous success with it. But you've really had success with the New York Stock Exchange. It's an incredible group of people. And, Jeff, you have done an incredible job, you and your group. And what a beautiful speech you made. Thank you very much. That was some introduction of all of us. But we've gone up since the election. I was just told by Scott, everybody said, you have to pick Scott Bessent. He has to be the one chosen for Treasury. Where is Scott? Let's see. He's around here someplace. He's around here. He told me we picked up $3 trillion since the election day. And I said, well, that's good, but what about before the election day? He said, we picked up some money there because they thought you were going to win. I said, I like this guy. He's going to be my treasury secretary.
He's like, he's going to gas him up, and that's it. And he's the Treasury Secretary. That's hilarious.
But it's true. I think we're going to have a tremendous run. We have to straighten out some problems, some big problems in the world. When we left, we didn't have any of these problems. We didn't have Russia with Ukraine. We didn't have Israel October 7th. We didn't have the Afghanistan disaster. We didn't have inflation. We had no inflation. And we had a very strong economy. And we're going to do that again, but I think we're going to even up it because now we have experience that we didn't have. Now I know everybody. You know, when I first came in, we came down, Melania and I, a great first lady, who's very popular, by the way. She rang in. She rang in the bell. She rang in the bell. But we came down and we're driving down Pennsylvania Avenue, and it was so beautiful. I said, you know, I've never done this before. I didn't know anybody. I got to the Oval Office, and I'm picking all these big positions, and I didn't really know the people in Washington, but boy, did I get to learn fast. And now we do, and I think we have an incredible staff behind me and others that aren't here, and we're going to do a fantastic job. We're going to create the incentive theory again. In fact, I just announced yesterday, I didn't announce it for this reason, but anybody investing $1 billion or more gets a very expedited approval process because, you know, the approvals, when people come into the country, it takes them, in many cases, 14, 15, 16 years to get the approval. We have Lee is around here someplace. He's in charge of the environment, and that's Lee Zeldin, who ran an incredible race for governor in New York, was a very, very successful guy before that. He was a great congressman, and he's a fantastic lawyer. He's in charge of environmental, and we'll try and push him as much as possible to get those permits very quickly. Like a nuclear power plant, I would say a week would be enough time. What do you think? Is that okay? We're going to get fast approvals, and it's great that we have Lee and all of the people behind. They're all stars in their own way. But it is an honor, and this is a double because usually they don't coordinate the Man of the Year or the Person of the Year with the ringing of the bell. And brilliantly, you picked them both at the same time, and you were all friends, and you said, let's do it. And it takes one trip. It doesn't take two trips. That's okay. We like to save. We like to be able to do it properly. But this is a special group. So many friends in the audience, too. John, great job you've done at ABC. I'm really proud of you, and you've been so nice to me. Otherwise, I wouldn't actually acknowledge you at all. But you
freaking dead. I'm so dead.
You have been. That really is. It's a terrific job you've done. But again, I want to thank you. We're going down to ring the bell now, and I could just say that the economy, I believe, is going to be very strong. We do have to solve some problems. We have wars going on that we didn't have. We have a lot of things happening that we didn't have that would have never happened. They would have never happened, but now they have happened. And I want to get them solved. We have to get them solved because ultimately the power of weaponry today is the biggest threat we have, in my opinion. It's not some of the other things that you read about. It's the power of weaponry. The weapons are so powerful, so devastating. And I rebuilt our military. I got to know every one of them, including nuclear weapons. I hated to do it. Actually, I hated to do it. But we did some nuclear weapons that are so devastating it almost makes you.
Well, this was a majority of his speech. We played half of it. He did ring the bell. The bell was rung quite strong. Take a look. And then we also have Jim Cramer talking to Donnie T. Just in, my friends, just in. Jim Cramer talking to Donnie T. I'm going to play that right after this, and he mentioned crypto, according to some posts. This is all breaking news as I'm getting it. Here we go. Ring-a-ling-a-ling. Legend. Okay. And now Jim Cramer running over to him like a kid in a candy shop. Hilarious. Oh my God. I get such a kick out of Jim Cramer. It's actually incredible. Jim Cramer, it's a lot of humor that goes into Jim. A lot of humor that goes into Jim. I'm going to play a little clip of Jim Cramer. Again, I'm getting all of this fresh news. Give me a second. Let me pull this up. Doop, boop. Okay.
Come on over here.
All right.
Come on over here, Kramer.
Here we go.
Absolutely.
What do you have to say to the American investor in this country?
Well, I think you're going to see some very good days ahead. A lot of incentives are going to be given. You saw yesterday a $1 billion investment, and we give you very fast approvals. Nobody's come up with that one yet, although it seems pretty simple. I think you're going to have some great days ahead. We have to conclude a couple of bad wars that are going on. A lot of bad things are going on, but we'll get them done.
Do you think that we are in a situation where business will be far more embraced under you than currently?
Well, I don't want to really knock current, but I will tell you more than at any time, anywhere in the history of our country. Come on over here.
All right.
Come on over here.
That's beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. We're going to take over, my friends. We are going to take over. Let's see. Is this a different clip? I see something about crypto here. Hold on.
Crypto, very different from the previous administration.
Yeah, this is crypto. Okay, hold on. We got so much breaking news. This is so wild. We're going off today, friends.
You're embracing crypto, very different from the previous administration. Strategic Petroleum Reserve like for crypto?
Yeah, I think so. We're going to do something great with crypto because we don't want China or anybody else, and not just China, but others are embracing it, and we want to be the head. We're going to be ahead of AI. We're going to be way ahead of AI, and we've got to produce tremendous amounts of electricity. You know that. It's unbelievable when you think that we need more than twice what we already have. If you think that's pretty for a specific industry, but we'll be able to do it. We have Lee Zeldin in charge of the environment. He's going to be giving us very strong approvals, I think, and he's going to make sure everything's good and clean and proper, but he's going to give us very fast approvals.
Natural gas, you're embracing crypto, very different from the previous administration.
Embracing crypto, friends.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Later, guys. Have a marvelous day. Hugs.
Thank you, Joe. Shout out to Joe Harvey. Also, shout out to Richard that sent us $5 on Cash App. Appreciate you. We love these direct donations. I appreciate it. Guys, he mentioned
China.
Guys, we cannot let other countries win. The United States must lead the way. Which also leads me to my Newsmax hit. The Newsmax hit that I did yesterday, where we were talking about Eric T. and how we need to lead the United States. We need to lead not only the United States, but the entire world with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. I don't know if we have enough likes to play it, though. Do we have over 100 likes? Uh-oh. Guys, do you want to hear the Newsmax hit? We need all of you guys to smash these likes, please. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share. I don't think I have the full Jim Cramer interview. I'm getting like bits and pieces right now. But Donnie T said we're going to do something with crypto. And it's also a little bit scary because we know Jim Cramer's the inverse indicator. And bringing up crypto is a little bit dicey. But that was absolutely amazing. Shout out to Donnie T for ringing the bell at the stock exchange, for bringing us all the love and zest toward crypto. His sons are super bullish. The family themselves are extremely bullish on Bitcoin and crypto, especially where Trump's Liberty Financial, some news on their project over there, Link and Of, they rocketed 30% as World Liberty Financial bought $2 million in tokens. Crypto wallets connected to the Donnie T World Liberty Financial Project. Thank you for subscribing, my friend. Purchased millions of dollars of various major tokens early Thursday. This is a unified platform where users can borrow and lend crypto, create liquidity pools, and transact with stables. And WLFI is their governance token for the platform. They are saying that Donnie T is the chief crypto advocate, and Eric and Donnie T Jr. are Web3 ambassadors, and Barron is the visionary.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Happy birthday, Emma Duncan Dollar.
Thank you. Thank you very much, my friend. Yes, we do have Emma's birthday party that we're going to have tomorrow. And then the 500th stream is next week. Beautiful. Shout out to everyone in the chat. Please smash these likes. We need 19 more likes so I could play Newsmax. We want to play Newsmax. By the time I'm done with this, pamp it up.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Data shows that the project World Liberty Financial purchased $10 million in ETH, $1 million each in AV and Link as of early Thursday. Today, the prices surged, and we're going to take a look at their charts. Link, let's go to Link first. All right, Link, looking good, looking good. We're approaching our golden zone with Link as well. Wow, Link is getting out of pocket right now. Out of pocket. All right, we're going to take a look at Link over here. Okay, Link is $28 this morning, up 16%, looking snazzy. Taking a look, measuring from yesterday to today, up 26%. This wick high makes 33% just about. Your bearish level to watch for Link is $19.55, falling below the $20 mark, which is a psychological level. Your bullish level to watch is $37. We have a green dot printed. Beautiful VWAP pumping. Money flow is looking good. As for Ave. Hold on, where's my chart for this? Okay, we're going to use this instead. Okay, so over here. Wow, hold on. Hold up. This is more deep than I thought. Okay. I got you, fam. Don't even worry. I got you, fam. 370 is where we're at right now, up 22%. We see here that we want to keep holding the support. We've had wick lows within the last few days ranging around this 247 mark. Bullish level to watch is 427. Bullish level to watch is 427. Your bearish level to watch is where we previously held support over here at 155. You see, we have a green dot printed after we already saw kind of a little bit of a downturn over here, trying to hold our support, pulling down the momentum back here in mid-November. We had a green dot printed, moving us on up. A red dot printed right here on the 8th of December, pulling us back to that support at 251, 250. Now a fresh green dot printed. Money flow is starting to pick up, and it's explainable because we have 44% increase in the past week. In the past 2 candles, we got 40% green. Seems like World Liberty Financial is making a lot of money moves, my friends. A lot of money moves. Very impressive. Very impressive. We have a lot going on. I saw Gio was in the chat. Is Gio still here? Where's Gio? I want to know what he thinks. Right, Double O. He said we're on fire with the news. I do try. I'm like multitasking. I'm looking around. I'm like, what's going on? What's the latest? We're literally flowing with news as we're talking. Not a surprise, though. Not a surprise. We're going to have a strategic Bitcoin reserve. We're going to have the Donnie T family really investing in crypto. It's going to be a whole different space in the next year. People are going to be absolutely shocked at what's going to occur. People aren't ready. People are fading it. People are fading the zest, and they shouldn't. They absolutely should not. Guys, we have 9 more likes until we hit 100. I want to play my Newsmax interview from yesterday. Hello, Switch, Ice God. We have B Team in the chat. Sola Hefe, nice to see you. Welcome. All right. Yay! We're killing the game. Right, Rez? We're killing the game. Prime World, nice to see you. Like I said, if you guys are new to the show, then please make sure you let me know. Eric Carlson, good morning. Bitcoin supply shock 2025. I think that could be true. There's only 2 million Bitcoin tied to centralized exchanges. Things are going to get very dicey. There's going to be a point where you're going to go try to buy Bitcoin and there's not going to be enough left. Get ready. All right. We have Vancouver. Also, their city council is passing a pro-Bitcoin motion, also citing those fiat challenges. We know that they were already discussing a strategic Bitcoin reserve. They wanted to be, quote, a Bitcoin-friendly city. Vancouver, British Columbia City Council has passed a motion to explore the possibility of accepting Bitcoin for payment of taxes and fees, as well as establishing a reserve. The motion that was prepared by Mayor Ken Sim calls for diversifying the city of Vancouver's financial reserves and payment options to include Bitcoin. The motion reads, it would be irresponsible for the city of Vancouver to not look at the merits of adding Bitcoin to the city's strategic assets to preserve the city's financial stability. It calls for city staff to report back to the council on the feasibility of a Bitcoin-friendly city strategy by the end of the first quarter in 2025. The motion marks a significant change in the policy towards Bitcoin, as the prior mayor tried to outright ban it and the ATMs within the city back in 2019. Ew. The old mayor, this is why there's a good thing that there's new people that always enter office, because that's so nasty. Trying to ban Bitcoin, trying to ban the ATMs, that makes no sense. So it's just another example of other countries following the lead of the United States. And if the United States does not pick up the slack, which I believe they will, other countries are going to do it. They're going to. It's inevitable. Even our own states are thinking about a strategic Bitcoin reserve. Pennsylvania already moving forward with that. Florida thinking about adding it for the sake of pension funds. Alabama, according to a state auditor, they're saying they should have a Bitcoin reserve as well. Alabama state auditor Andrew Sorrell expressed support for creating a state Bitcoin reserve during an interview. He's a former state legislator and longtime supporter of crypto. He told 1819 News that embracing crypto would attract businesses to the state and enhance the stability of their finances. Quote, crypto is here to stay, and the fight for which the states will benefit from it has begun. Another quote, the states that are first to adopt a tax and regulatory framework that are friendly to crypto will attract business and investment. True. Hello. Common sense. Common sense. Investing in cryptocurrency, he mentions, it is also the most rapidly growing asset class, averaging an astounding 55% a year in the last 15 years. Investing in treasuries and bonds certainly has its place, but earning a 4% yield while inflation is 2.7% is barely breaking even. He says, which I find really spicy, what happens if the dollar ceases to be the reserve currency of the world? What happens if inflation runs 8% again like it did during the post-pandemic era? Bitcoin's value is unaffected by what happens to the US dollar. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, the dollar is in trouble. Donnie T is going to work to fix that. He said he was going to punish other countries, probably with tariffs, if they do not use the dollar as a currency. Especially if all the BRICS nations, like they're planning to, are trying to have their own digital currencies. They're trade in their own currency, so that way they don't have to even use the dollar, which is very dangerous for America. Very dangerous for America. We have 98 likes, my friends. Please pamp it up. We need Piano Maddie B so we could play Newsmax.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
Let's see. Do we have 100 likes? 99. One more, my friends. One more. And so then we will get into Newsmax. It's very important what we talked about yesterday, too. I was actually on with someone from the former Donnie T administration as well. He was one of the 3 chosen for one of the economic advisors, which is beautiful. He was a part of the White House Council of Economic Advisors. Like I said, Donnie T chose him as one of 3, and I loved it. Nicole says, sorry I missed Newsmax. Well, you didn't miss it yet. Maybe the live airing you did, but you could also see it right now because we have 100 likes. So if you guys are ready for Newsmax, I want to see you guys write Newsmax in the chat. Crypto Crusher said, thank you. He said, got you. Thank you. Okay, so write Newsmax in the chat. Newsmax. Write Newsmax in the chat. All right, let's see. Let me see some Newsmaxes in the chat, and we're going to start playing it. Green Day, good morning. Welcome, everyone. Marks, nice to see you. We need to see some emojis, too. We need to see some rocket emojis if you guys are bullish. Let me see some rocket emojis in the chat. Let me see some rocket emojis. We're going to play Newsmax right now, and then we'll probably play it when the Pipers come in too. All right. Here we go. This was a really good interview. This was actually really spicy because I was on with someone from the former Donnie T admin. Let's see.
The modern banking system is antiquated. It's antiquated, and it's just a matter of time before really crypto not only catches up, but just really leaps ahead. And so we're incredibly excited on a lot of fronts, and I think America will be the crypto capital of the world, and I fully support it. My father fully supports it. Our family, is fully embracing it. We believe in DeFi. We believe in CeFi. We believe that's the way of the future, and again, America, better lead the way. Otherwise, we're going to leave a lot behind.
Okay, that was Eric Trump speaking from the United Arab Emirates and weighing in on cryptocurrency. Eric was there for a crypto event and confirmed that Trump's support for the industry.
And in that interview, Eric went on to talk about regulating crypto, saying it can thrive with, quote, sensible policies. Let's bring in crypto educator and podcast host Randi Hipper, along with the former chairman of the White House Council of Economic Advisors, Thomas Phillipson. Welcome to you both. Randi, what kind of sensible regulations do you think he has in mind, or that you think would be sensible?
I think sensible regulation includes the power to be your own bank, to reassure people in America that you're able to self-custody your crypto. As we've had people like Senator Liz Warren that comes out and tries to demolish that and lobbies with the American Bankers Association for anti-self-custody rulings. And that's just not fair. We need to empower America. I think Bitcoin really enables people to go back to the fundamentals of America, which is life, liberty, property, or the pursuit of happiness. Hold on. Sorry, friends. We have the Piper Academy rating in. Shout out to the Piper Academy. Shout out to everyone. Army Piper, OC Tradefly. Pamp it up for all of you guys. Thank you guys for coming. Should we wait? Yeah, we have all these beautiful people here. I'm going to restart it. We were only like 30 seconds into it. Thank you guys so much for joining. Now that you guys are here, you guys could witness the Newsmax too. Shout out to everyone on TikTok. Again, if you're on TikTok, I see people commenting over there. You're not going to hear this video. Shout out to Brandon. You're not going to hear the video. Please make sure you go to youtube.com/missteencrypto or X and make sure you follow me over here. Army Piper, OC Tradefly, beautiful people. Frat Mama's here for you. Frat Mama was also on Newsmax. So please make sure you guys are smashing the like so you guys could share love. Let's go.
The modern banking system is antiquated. It's antiquated, and it's just a matter of time before really crypto not only catches up, but just really leaps ahead. And so we're incredibly excited on a lot of fronts, and I think America will be the crypto capital of the world, and I fully support it. My father fully supports it. Our family, is fully embracing it. We believe in DeFi. We believe in CeFi. We believe that's the way of the future, and again, America, better lead the way. Otherwise, we're going to leave a lot behind.
Okay, that was Eric Trump speaking from the United Arab Emirates and weighing in on cryptocurrency. Eric was there for a crypto event and confirmed that Trump's support for the industry.
And in that interview, Eric went on to talk about regulating crypto, saying it can thrive with, quote, sensible policies. Let's bring in crypto educator and podcast host Randi Hipper, along with the former chairman of the White House Council of Economic Advisors, Thomas Phillipson. Welcome to you both. Randi, what kind of sensible regulations do you think he has in mind, or that you think would be sensible?
I think sensible regulation includes the power to be your own bank, to reassure people in America that you're able to self-custody your crypto. As we've had people like Senator Liz Warren that comes out and tries to demolish that and lobbies with the American Bankers Association for anti-self-custody rulings. And that's just not fair. We need to empower America. I think Bitcoin really enables people to go back to the fundamentals of America, which is life, liberty, property, or the pursuit of happiness.
Thomas, when they hear Eric Trump say the current banking system is antiquated, what do you think our banks are feeling and adjusting to, or not, or getting ready for a fight? What's going to happen?
Well, I think the important thing here, you hear a lot about crypto as an investment, but it's a medium of exchange that's basically a superior way of transacting than what we currently have with intermediaries. Think of crypto as the analog to email for the post office, essentially. The post office was an intermediary you needed to use to send mail.
This guy is
But then
great.
we have peer-to-peer email that went a lot quicker, could always be used essentially. Same with crypto. It's competition to the medium of exchange, which is monopolized by governments, essentially. That's much faster and much lower transaction costs. So as always, when there's competition, the people incumbents don't like it. The government doesn't like it. That's why people for the government, such as Warren, don't like it. They want the opposite, essentially, full control without competition. The middlemen banks, the middlemen are being cut out here, right? Just as the post office was cut out with email. So JP Morgan's Jamie Dimon is against it, obviously, because they're getting cut out of the deal. So you have a lot of banks against this. And the question is, how do you promote this in a safe and productive way without having a sort of fraud taking place in this space?
It's a good point there. Randy, I don't know, how do you do this do it safely without fraud taking place? That's a great question.
Well, I think that we need to be able to have clear regulations as to how banks themselves can custody crypto. And in terms of fraud or illicit activity, the best part about Bitcoin and the blockchain is that, oh, it's transparent, which you can't say about the banking system. And we know that quite well with all the fraudulent activity and all the AML measures that banks clearly disregard. And we know those cases quite recently, getting fined billions of dollars. When you look at the blockchain, every single transparent thing is there. If you have a transaction from me to you, then you see it. It's right there in front of you. It's for everybody to see. We need transparency from the blockchain side, money movement side, and from the government side as to what their intentions are with the space, which we haven't seen in the past 4 years.
Thomas, last 15 seconds to you.
Yeah, I mean, the key here is that there's some drawbacks here with illegal trade, but there's also illegal trade in cash, which is the other form of paying for illegal trade.
Yeah.
So I don't think that should stop.
Gonna have to leave it there. We got to say goodbye for today. Thanks for watching American Agenda. Randy and Thomas, appreciate it.
Oh, that was so fun. That was so fun. I love Newsmax. I love Newsmax. I go off on that channel. I go off on that channel. Guys, put Liz Warren emojis in the chat. Put Liz Warren emojis in the chat. Yeah, I do. I did go off. I did go off on that channel. But listen, you gotta say what you gotta say. Gotta say what you gotta say. But I loved it. It was really fun. But yeah, so they only have 15 seconds left towards the end. It was a tight run because we were actually closing out the show. But I absolutely loved it, and they're so amazing. So shout out to Newsmax.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
1. BTC gets bought up and investors will look at more projects. All crypto will gain in value. No way it can't. Emitter hawks for her level up.
Wait, what? Like Hawk crypto mining? What talks? What talks? But thank you, Michael Cartwright Pam. But yeah, absolutely. That's what I'm saying, Michael. Like, if we're gonna have Bitcoin getting bought up, there's only 2 million Bitcoin left on centralized exchanges. Retail isn't ready for that, right? They're gonna go to exchanges. They're gonna be like, meh, we don't have that no more. What's next? That's when the altcoins come in. That's when the altcoins come in. Hello. I've been preaching this forever. Thank you, Michael. You're amazing. Shout out to you. Yeah, but we do have Emma's birthday stream we're going to do tomorrow. It's going to be really fun. It's going to be really fun. I'm very excited. Switch, thank you. Thank you. Much love to every single one of you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for supporting, especially when I go on things like this. And if you haven't yet, please help a girl out. Go on the YouTube copy of the interview, smash the like. Go on the X copy of the interview and smash the like. If you guys are smashing the likes and you're commenting and you're sharing these interviews out with friends, that's what helps us reach other people. So please make sure you guys are smashing likes. This is from X as well. This is from X. So we have the X and YouTube. So please make sure you guys are getting on in there. Thing is, I bring up what I bring up on the show daily, which is being your own bank, which is to be able to have self-custody and the right to have self-custody, the right to mine, just basically being able to own a business in the United States, which a lot of people are going off, international. They're leaving the United States. They're going off the grid. They're saying, hey, I can't do it here, so we got to do it somewhere else. And it's just difficult with the past 4 years and all the scrutiny we've been going through. It's just not fair. Like I said, it's really not fair. Hawk's Family Restaurant. See, that's what I was thinking, Michael Cartwright. I would love to go to Hawk's Family Restaurant. I would love to. Hawk is a great guy. Shout out to Hawk Crypto Mining. He's such a G. We've been on Newsmax together a ton as well. So I really appreciate him. I really, really appreciate him. Cisco says, Randy for president.
China.
Imagine. That would be insane. That would be insane. That was insane. Big Dog, nice to see you. Welcome. But like I said, it was a really great time because I was so happy to be on with Thomas Phillipson because he was one of the 3 chosen by Donnie T to be a part of the economic advisors as well. If you guys could look at his title, former White House Council of Economic Advisors. One of 3 studs. One of 3 studs. And he's very smart. This is someone, again, that was helping lead the United States. And he was saying, of course the banks aren't going to like what we're doing. Of course they're not going to enjoy crypto. Why? Because they're getting cut out. They're getting cut out. True said we need a lot more people to speak openly like Randy. Well, I do my best. Craig said, first time here. What's my favorite coins to cover? Just Bitcoin. Well, welcome, first of all. Welcome. Welcome. I cover Bitcoin. I cover, you guys, you could see the ticker on my screen. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum. We talk about Dogecoin. We talk about everything. We talk about everything on this channel. We don't discriminate against altcoins. I love all my altcoins. I'm a big altcoin gal. Right, Tech Man? Bitcoin is a digital standard. Absolutely. Absolutely. Rudy Poo, nice to see you. Welcome. Galaxy 9 is chilling set. Said, what good is preaching when it falls upon deaf ears? We're not falling upon deaf ears when we go on Newsmax and when we're doing this every single day. We're spreading adoption out here. We're spreading adoption. Aaron, nice to see you. Welcome, everybody, to the chat. Poman is here, too. I don't think I said hello to you yet, my friend. What else we got going on? But that was awesome. I really loved it. Shout out to M2. Peter, thank you for subscribing to the channel. Guys, we're gaining... Oh, wow, we gained 10 subscribers already today. Pimp. Yay. Beautiful. We're killing the game. Michael Cartwright, hope you're okay. Have a good day, my friend. Hope you're doing all right. Speaking of Bitcoin adoption and things, Anthony Paldino, we have Bitcoin ETF ads actually popping up where?
China.
On their Alipay payment app. Take a look at this. This is actually really interesting. Alipay, which is China's largest payment platform with more than 1 billion users because they're forced to use it. Let's not get all crazy out here. They reportedly featured Bitcoin and crypto-related ads for users in mainland China. These users saw promo advertisements related to spot ETFs on their Alipay homepages. The advertisement is promoting crypto investments, saying, quote, global investment, cryptocurrency soaring, 10 yuan minimum investment, get on board now. They have a $140 daily purchase limit, which we love that they limit everybody on everything. Nonetheless, very interesting that they are featuring crypto-related ads. And so it just goes to show that crypto is inevitable. And people are rumoring the fact that China could actually back Bitcoin itself and say, hey, we like Bitcoin in 2025. Would that be surprising with the United States having a Bitcoin strategic reserve? No.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Ice cream for you and Emma. Happy birthday. A-OK hand.
Thank you. Thank you, Tech Man. Appreciate you. Yes, guys, Emma's birthday is on Saturday, but we're going to have a little party on the stream tomorrow. Once we hit 150 likes, hopefully, we're going to have a rave for Emma's birthday, and we're going to have a little Emma celebration. And so she's turning 19, so thank you guys for all the Emma love today and all the Emma super chats. David Lee, is Gemini working? My friend, what was the issue with that? And also, if you could send me a screenshot, David, that would be great so I could provide it to the team. Because apparently everything's okay, but I would like to know what your issue is and if you're in the United States or not, because that also might be an issue. That also might be an issue. If you're outside the United States and if you're using a VPN, that might be a little barrier for you. Will Emma sing? I don't know if Emma's going to sing. I don't know if Emma's zesty enough for vocals. I don't know if she's zesty enough for vocals. Do we have any chart requests as well? Because I could go into some chart requests. As we talk about NFTs making a comeback, a single pudgy penguin is worth more or just the same as one Bitcoin currently. Taking a look here, Pudgy Penguins, their NFT collection is keeping Web3 hopes afloat in the sea of the dead projects and a generally muted collectibles market. They became the most valued NFTs on Wednesday, surpassing Bored Ape Yacht Club, which many would find surprising, with a minimum or floor price of any of the 8,888 comic penguins, topping 100K and flipping Bored Ape Yacht Club. This means that it could possibly be worth more than one Bitcoin, depending on which one you have going on. Some of them were at 26 ETH or just above $105,000. Bored Apes and the CryptoPunks both fell about 12%. They also have plans to launch the Pingu token, PNGU, on Solana later this month. And so it's very, very innovative. I like the penguins. I like my little pudgies. I think they're fun. I think they're zesty. I also enjoy Doodles that were doing a huge collaboration with McDonald's. So I'm very much a fan. I'm very much a fan of NFTs. I was one of the first creators to mint NFTs back in 2020. And so I'm a fan, big fan. In 19, she's just a baby. She's a whole adult. Ver Hoopty Floof said to my dad, "That's so cute. You view her as a child. She is an adult." Yeah, it's true. We're adults out here. We're grown out. We're grown people. We're grown adults. But do we have any chart requests? I'm gonna look at Dogecoin really quick, and we're gonna get into some chart requests. Before I get into chart requests, though, quick favor from y'all would be great. Head over to this post. We're going to be getting after it today at 2 p.m. Eastern on the Lizard Lookout. As always, every Thursday, I am co-hosting with my girl Meta Mona for the Lizard Lookout. We're going to be talking all these beautiful things like Web3 gaming, IP, interoperability, growth, all the beautiful things in Web3. So please make sure you're a part of the show. Set your reminders and comment that you're going to be there. Comment that you're going to be there. Yay! Lizard Lookout. Lizard Lookout. Let's get after it. Dogecoin is 41.5 cents. Bear scenario still lies at the 34.5, but we have that VWAP that's going to cross the zero line. Momentum is sliding a little bit. RSI almost was bearish. Quite neutral, moving on up. So Dogecoin's doing pretty well. Dogecoin is doing pretty well. Lasers will be there. Yay! Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you, lasers. I appreciate you. What about Digibyte? I love Digibyte so much. I love Digibyte. It's inevitable. I believe that Digibyte is inevitable. 100%. Digibyte's a penny and a half right now. Taking a little bit of a dip. We're down 0.33%. We were at about a penny and a quarter. A penny and three quarters. Your bullish scenario right now is 0.018 cents. And I think we have a bear scenario right now.
Just got back from the gym. Man, I look good. Let's look at the undeniable $XR piece and the mighty AVAX. Poor favor. Thank you.
Diggies! Diggies, you're so zesty today. He literally pamped the gym and then he pamped the chat. Oh boy. He goes, man, I look good. This guy is so funny. Diggies, you make me laugh, man. You make me laugh. Shout out to Diggies. Yeah, we're going to take a look at XRP and Avalanche. I got you, 100%. 100%. All right. XRP first, and then we'll go to Avalanche. We also have some Avalanche news that I could talk about as well. All right. XRP. Approaching our golden zone. $2.75 is the golden zone. Shout out to James J for subscribing. $2.75 is the golden zone. Bullish level to watch is $3 as well, because that's majorly psychological. Bearish level to watch is $1.82. Everything's kind of remaining the same at the moment. 0.98% in the green. VWAP, we want to cross that zero line. We want to go bullish. Money flow is chilling. Red dot, though, is weighing down that momentum. Surprising. RSI, and you can even see the volume profile is a little bit low. RSI is pulling back, which I believe is a good thing, Diggies. I believe it's a good thing. And we are below overbought, cooling off ever so slightly. So I think XRP is chilling right now. You want to keep maintaining support. You want to stay above $2, most importantly, because a few days ago we had a wick low to about, what is this, $1.90-ish. So you want to stay above $2. Psychological level right there. In regards to Avalanche, we do have some news that came out from Forbes. Despite being a flush is the headline. Avalanche raised $250 million from Galaxy and others. They say this is starting to feel like 2021 again, at least for the British Virgin Islands-based Avalanche Foundation. They recently raised $250 million via a private token sale for the blockchain platform, the kind of big-ticket round that had largely gone extinct during crypto winter. The lead investors included Galaxy Digital, Dragonfly, Parify Digital, are joined by over 40 other firms, including Skybridge and Morgan Creek Digital, who apparently think that the market is warming up for a big swing. The Avalanche Foundation says it's not about the cash. In fact, it's about the Treasury holding about $3 billion worth of its own AVAX token, according to Forbes estimates. Avalanche co-founder Eamon says the primary goal was to get alignment and incentivize the right kinds of partners to build with. I like that attitude. From the Avalanche co-founder. You want quality people that align with you, that align with your vision, that are going to bring Avalanche where they want it to go, which is mainstream. There are some good projects on Avalanche. I'm a fan of, even Solana. It has its issues. But Solana, Avalanche, even Immutable, they have very good projects, very good games. And I'm all for Web3 gaming. I think Web3 gaming is really going to spearhead crypto adoption, especially among the younger generation. Gamifying crypto, making it fun, easy, approachable. That's what we want. Avalanche is $52, up 8%. Bearish level to watch are where the wick lows were. Previous support, $41. Neutral, we're going to look out $48, and your bullish level to watch is $56. Again, dating back to over here in March, and even before that, where we had held somewhat of a support back in October of 2021 before hitting highs. There is a green dot printed on the momentum here. We have the VWAP that's yet to cross that zero line. Actually, I'm wrong. That little smidge, you see that little smidge? Actually crossing that zero line now. Go Avalanche. Pulling back on the money flow just a little bit. Still green. No complaints. And the RSI pulling back over that overbought. Slightly above neutral. Having a nice bounce. So Avalanche is looking good. Those are the levels to watch for Avalanche. And that's the latest Avalanche news. We're bullish, my friends. We're bullish on life. We're bullish on Bitcoin. We're bullish on Emma's birthday. Emma turning 19. We're going to do a little celebration tomorrow. We're bullish on the 500th show on Tuesday, I believe it's going to be. The 500th show for the Daily Zest. Aww. And I love it. I'm so excited. It's going to be great. We're going to have a really good time. We have some ice cream money from the super chats today, which I believe is hilarious. And I'm very bullish. And you guys are bullish in the chat because our poll says, can Bitcoin hit 200K by 2025? 47% of you guys said, duh, bruh. 28% of you guys said, my love for Emma's worth 200K. And 25% of you guys said, nah, no way. But majority of you guys are bullish. And I'm with it. I'm excited. We have 140 likes. Guys, let's keep smashing those likes. I'm going to do another chart request. Shout out to Crypto Moro. Let's do this one. Okay. See, I knew I had a chart for this. All right. So we have Kadena. We're going to do this for Crypto Moro, talking bagels in the chat. All right. So right now we have some levels to watch for Kadena. Got you. Okay. There we go. Right now we're at $1.43. 1 second. TikTok's about to time me out. There we go. Okay. So $1.43. We're down 3.6% for Kadena right now. Your bullish level to watch is where we've had wick highs, $2.27. Again, it kind of dates back over here where we were struggling with that level a little bit back in 2022. Your bearish level to watch right now is $1.27. Even more bearish is 81 cents, which is below that dollar mark and would drive people insane. But those are your levels to watch for Kadena. VWAP is moving up. Money flow is okay. And the momentum's pulling back. Tom Crown said, LFG like Queen, my like Kang. Shout out to you. Shout out to Papa Tom in the chat. He's so amazing. Shout out to Papa Tom. And Dickie goes, I'm buying gold. You're so funny, dude. You're so funny. The occasional blueberry donut. I've never, a donut, I mean bagel. I've never had a blueberry bagel. I've actually seen people on TikTok baking their own bagels. And it looks pretty good. It looks pretty interesting. I was thinking of trying that one day. Bake my own bagels. Right, Louie? Shout out to Louie. Shout out to Louie. Yeah. But that's interesting. A blueberry bagel. How do you feel about blueberry bagel? I think I might want to try that one day. It sounds sweet, though. I think like a nice light cream cheese would go good with that. I think that's pretty interesting. I'm a fan. But shout out to everybody in the chat. I appreciate every single one of you guys. We have a lot going on today. We're going to be live at 2 p.m. Eastern. 2 p.m. Eastern, my friends, for the Lizard Lookout. So please make sure you guys are clicking that link in the live chat and setting your reminders. Also, please make sure you're showing love to the Newsmax interview that I did yesterday with Thomas Phillipson, who was the former White House Council of Economic Advisors. He was one of 3 chosen specifically by Donnie T for the job. So please make sure you smash the like on that video. It would help very much, very much. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate every single one of you guys. If you haven't yet, please make sure you smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share this stream out with friends. And get after it today. I'm going to see you guys at 2 p.m. Eastern. Thank you guys so much. Louis, shout out to the dolphin little thing over there. Thank you guys so much. Again, if you haven't yet, smash like, subscribe, share. Have a beautiful day. Happy Thursday. I'm going to see you tomorrow for Emma's birthday Raven celebration. And have a beautiful, lovely Thursday. Happy Thursday. Yay. We're getting after it. Again, I'm sorry for the technical difficulties today. And hopefully we have a higher daily candle close. If we could close right here, that would be beautiful. If we could close like $102,000 today, oh boy. Oh, that would be even more beautiful. Thank you guys so much. Have a beautiful day. Smash the like, subscribe, share. I'll see you guys at 2 p.m. Eastern and tomorrow morning. Stay zesty. Peace.